Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it up. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. Don't look at the past, no, we're not going that way. Oh, now make it last, make it last to the break of day. No matter what people say, live life in a fast lane. Double shot for the gifted, triple shot for the pain. There you go, drink it up, all this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
Namaskaram.
Silence.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఎవ్రీబడి నోస్ నాకు ఐ లవ్ జులీ. నాకు చాలా 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 ఎందుకంటే ఐ ఫీల్ ఇట్ డిస్క్రైబ్స్ ఎ వుమెన్స్ her identity, what she feels, what she thinks, the reflection of her personality. నాకు traditional jewelry chala ishtam. I love to find for me, I like to buy jewelry which connects to my heart. Traditional jewelry is my favorite. I love temple jewelry, and I love that every piece comes from history and a lot of study. I'm really happy to be associated with Mandira Premium Silver Jewelry by Manapalli. Endukante, like I said, jewelry is something that we all love. I love. It's just because it's premium silver jewelry with such beautiful craftsmanship and with so much history that they have in their family about jewelry. You have a 137 years of understanding craftsmanship, understanding traditions, understanding how jewelry works, taste and preferences of people. I think it's a huge responsibility you both have, and it's great that today you have 4 generations together right now under this roof. It's a privilege, something you all should be very grateful for. How many people are lucky to have 4 generations under one roof, passionate about one thing, passionate about one cause, that is bringing beautiful jewelry to every girl, everyone, every person. And to a man too today. I think it's a great feeling to be here, to feel the love they have and respect they have for each other and for their craft. So I wish Mandira Premium Jewelry lots of luck, and I hope they grow many more years to come. and yeah, keep doing the beautiful work that you're doing.
Which is your favorite one? You have seen so many films.
Very hard. Kani, like I said, I've come from my mother is from Jaipur, so there's a lot of Kundan that I love. But of late, I love temple jewelry a lot, and I like how they have mixed temple with Kundan, traditional with bit of modern. They try to mix and match all. There's light jewelry, but then there's also very heavy jewelry. But like how the father was trying to explain to me, craftsmanship, Tala, they've worked really hard on that. So even that finger, that little toenail you can see on that. And that's a precious thing to have, you know. And so there's a lot of hard work and a lot of technique that they put in. Like he was trying to tell me that because they have so much understanding of gold jewelry and how that works and how diamond works, for them that helps them to create something different here. Kani Naku, if you really ask me if I have to buy something, it will be traditional jewelry. And yes, I love to see how in temple jewelry you can create such beautiful. It almost is like a piece of art. It's like you're holding a piece of art. For me, that holds a huge. For me, that's special.
షాపింగ్ చేస్తారు మేడం మీరు?
ఇప్పుడు లేదా కానీ soon gaya for sure I would love to buy something. I've told them to design me earrings, small earrings. And I've told them to design me what do you call that temple?
Kasumala.
Kasumala. So I've told them to design me a Kasumala with yeah. So hopefully they'll design and they'll send something and I'll buy.
మేడం మీ పాప రాధ కోసం నేను ఒకటి కొనుక్కున్న బెస్ట్ జ్యువెలరీ ఏది మీరు కొన్నది షాపింగ్?
Radha doesn't understand jewelry for now, but she likes to wear bangles, bangles, and she likes to put she likes to bangles. She likes to wear little this garment also, but that's it. She doesn't like anything else. Anything that works, she doesn't like.
There are premium silver jewelry. We have a dual launch today. One store here and one store in ES Round Nagar as well. Opening on the same day. We have over 12,000 designs in collection. Each piece has a story and its own uniqueness. We have collections ranging from Nakshi, Polki, Diamond. Any collection is all available here. Okay, bride store lopaliki rangane, she can get her entire set at one place, and that is Mandira Premium Silver Jewelry by Manapita.
Hello everyone, very good morning. So thank you all for being over here today. ఇప్పుడు మందిరా మనం 2 స్టోర్స్ లాంచ్ చేస్తున్నాం, పంజగుట్టలో, ఎస్రావ్ నగర్ లో. ఇంకా ప్రోడక్ట్ నుంచి మాట్లాడితే మీకు చిన్న ముక్కుపోగు నుంచి వడ్డానం వరకు ఎన్ని కలెక్షన్ యూ వాంట్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఒక బ్రైట్ అండ్ వెడ్డింగ్ డే రోజు 5 డిఫరెంట్ షోరూమ్స్ వెళ్ళాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. మందిరా లోపలికి వస్తుంది అండ్ బై ద టైమ్ షీ గోస్ అవుట్ తనకు కావాల్సిన అన్ని జ్యువెలరీస్ కలెక్షన్స్ అయిపోతాయి. And we've got some amazing offers here today. And we've got some Nakshi work, we've got some temple jewelry, we've got some cubic zircon jewelry, we've got some any particular jewelry that you want, we can have it over here. We've got around 10 or 12 different collections. We've got some amazing designs. So Hyderabad, whatever you desire in jewelry, come to Mandira. And any girl, people my age generally have a Pinterest collection saying jewelry or something like that. So anything that you desire can be custom made here at Mandira, and your entire Pinterest collection can come to life over here. So thank you so much and definitely experience Mandira.
हीरा मानेपल्ली ज्युवेलरीస్ యొక్క ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ జ్యువెలరీని ప్రారంభిస్తున్న కార్యక్రమానికి నన్ను ఆహ్వానించినటువంటి ఈ యొక్క మందిర మానేపల్లి ఓనర్స్ అందరికీ, ప్రత్యేకంగా యువకులు పెద్దలు, మీ పేరు మానేపల్లి రామారావు గారి మనుమల్ల చేతుల మీదుగా, ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళ సమయంలో ప్యూర్ జ్యువెలరీతో చేసేవాళ్ళు. ఇంకో బ్రాంచ్ లో ఒరిజినల్ డైమండ్స్, ఒరిజినల్ జ్యువెలరీ ఉంది. ఈ బ్రాంచ్ లో మాత్రం అంటే సిల్వర్ తో అంటే ఈక్వల్ ఇంటూ రియల్ జ్యువెలరీతో కంపేర్ చేస్తే మీరు ఎక్కడ కూడా కంపేర్ చేసినా ఇది రియల్ జ్యువెలరీ లెక్క చేసే విధంగా, అంటే ఒక టోటల్లీ మన ఒక ట్రెడిషనల్గా చేసేటువంటి కార్యక్రమాన్ని వాళ్ళు చేయడం అనేది, అంటే ఈ రోజుల్లో ఉన్నటువంటి పెరిగిపోయినటువంటి ఆర్థిక సమస్యల వల్ల మరి చాలామంది ఎఫోర్డ్ చేయని వారికి సామాన్య ప్రజలకు అందుబాటులో తీసుకురావాలన్న ఒక ఆలోచన ఏదైతే రామారావు గారికి వచ్చిందో దానికి నేను అభినందిస్తూ, ఈ జ్యువెలరీ ఈ పిల్లలు యువకులు గౌరవ్ మరియు వంశీ ఇద్దరు కూడా ఇందులో ఇంకా వాళ్ళ తాతగారి పేరు నిలబెట్టే విధంగా ఇది అభివృద్ధి చేయాలని, ఈ సంస్థ 3 పువ్వులు 6 కాయలుగా ఎదగాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను.